Dear students, in this video lecture I am going to explain pointer to a structure concept. The first definition, what is pointer to a structure? Accessing structure elements using pointer is called pointer to a structure. Structure elements accessed using pointer through arrow mark operator. This is the mark we are using. Arrow mark operator used to access structure elements using pointer. This is the way we have to access structure elements using pointer concept. Structure name, arrow operator, structure element. This is the syntax we have to use to access structure elements using pointer. First of all, we see the C program, how to access structure elements using general dot operator. Later we will see how to use pointer to access elements. So this is a program using structure to store the student data. The student data having student name, hall ticket number, marks and grade of your marks. First you define a structure using the structure keyword. Struct is a keyword used to define the structure before the main function. Struct structure name student. Here the fields we have declared within the structure, 4 fields of a student. The structure name is student I am using, and I am going to use 4 fields in this particular structure student to store the student information. The first one is name, character array, and hall ticket number is also character array. Student marks integer type, and the grade is first class, second class, and so on. Like that I have to store the student with respect to their marks. So for this student is a structure, I have taken 4 fields and declared. Within the main you have to declare a variable of type structure. Struct student stu. Now stu is a variable of type structure student. Now in this program I am using this particular structure variable stu to read the data from the keyboard for this particular structure information of a student, and similarly to display the student data stored in the memory on the screen. First you will see how to read the data, structure data through keyboard. This is the statement I am using to read the student data from the keyboard. So what is the general, how to access structure elements? Structure variable name, structure name, dot operator, and structure field. Suppose student name I have to read from the keyboard. How to represent this student name of a structure? Here the structure variable declared is student, but stu dot s name indicates student name in the structure. So what is second field? Student hall ticket number. So again, how to access that second element from this structure? Structure name stu dot student number. Similarly, student dot s mark, student dot s grade. This is the way we have to read structured data from the keyboard. Just normal variable, just you have to give the normal variable, but it is a structure variable kabatti how to access structure element? Structure name dot structure element. After reading, just you have to display using again same printf statement. Student name, percent s is the same, percent s we are using for a string. Again same, while we are displaying, again use the same structure name dot field name. What is the first field name of your student? S name. What is your structure name? stu dot s name. So automatically in the structure STU, the first name is displayed. First field value is displayed. What is the second field? Hall ticket number. Hall ticket number is displayed. What is third field? Student marks. Student marks will be displayed. What is the fourth field? Grade. Again, grade fourth field. STU dot grade. Fourth field is displayed. This is the way storing the student data of a structure. How to store the structure data in the memory. This is scan the data from the keyboard and store in the memory using scanner. How to display accessing data, structured data available in the memory. So to read, to access or to perform operation on structure elements, we have to access the structure elements through the syntax structure name dot structure element. If you want to read, use within the scanf. If you want to display, use within the printf statement. So this is the program to store the student data, reading through keyboard. After reading, the data is available in the memory. The memory data can be accessed using again structure name dot field names, and with the help of printf statement we are going to display the student data. So this is a program how to store student data and how to access and display it on the screen. Now the same program we can access using pointer concept. Now this is a program to access student data using a pointer to a structure. If you want to access structured data through a pointer, we have to use arrow operator in place of dot. In general, normal structure elements we are accessing structure name dot element name. So in place of dot, just we are using arrow mark operator, while we are using pointer to access the structure data. So how to write the program, you will see. Same, first define the structure before the main using the struct keyword. Struct student, already we know how to declare the structure with the structure elements. Next, while you are using the pointer concept to access data of a structure, three steps you have to follow. First, declare the structure pointer variable. Next, assign the structure address to the structure pointer. Later, use the arrow operator to access the data from the structure through pointer. So these are the three steps you have to follow. First, declaration. In the declaration, struct student, we define a structure variable STU, and we have to define a structure pointer SPTR. Is a pointer variable for accessing data from the structure STU. This is the first step, declare the structure pointer. Next, the structure variable address assigned to the structure pointer. Here structure pointer is SPTR. To assign structure variable address, what is structure variable here? STU. Address means ampersand of STU. Now the structure variable STU address is assigned to the SPTR. Now using SPTR we can access the data because it is a pointer. Pointer contains structure address. Once we got structure address, using that address, using pointer variable, we can access it. Now see, first you have to read the data from the keyboard using pointer. So pointer means you have to use in place of dot structure name. Here structure name is pointer variable we are using. Pointer variable arrow mark. What is the structure pointer variable? SPTR. SPTR dot బదులు arrow mark ఇచ్చేస్తాం. SPTR arrow mark S name SPTR arrow mark hall ticket number marks grade. So this is the scanf statement we are using to read data from the keyboard using pointer variable is. So once reading, you have to display again using pointer. Here pointer variable is sptr arrow mark 2. If you want to access data from the structure using structure pointer variable, you must use the operator arrow mark. sptr arrow mark sname arrow mark hall ticket number arrow mark marks arrow mark grade. Now this is a program how to access structure elements using a pointer variable. Just when you want to use the pointer concept in the programming, 3 steps you have to follow. First, declare. This is the declaration part. Declare the pointer variable. Here pointer variable is the structure pointer, structure type. Next, assign the address. Second step. Assign the address. Later we have to access. This is display the structure elements onto the screen using pointer sptr. I think all of you understood this pointer to a structure. So it is an important concept, pointer to a structure, while we are creating self-referential structure and as well as while we are creating linked list concept, we are using accessing structure elements through pointer concept. I think all of you understood this concept. Thank you. Next video I will explain self-referential structure.